Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SAND Playtest game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check server status of the game. So the very first thing suggested is to check the server status. The problem can occur when there is a server downtime. Best way to find the current status of the game is by visiting the official website or even going to the official Twitter page, and there you will find if there is any server downtime of the game you are trying to play it. If there is any downtime, you have to wait for some time, and after that check if the game is launching or not, because most of the time such kind of issues occur and the game crashes because of server downtime. So wait for it. If the issue still occurs, you can follow the methods discussed in this video. So the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you can see the game application. So you have to simply select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game and right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve, come back again, type -windowed and now check if the game is opening or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you can go to Steam, click on Steam option. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and the general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay option, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check network connection. So this is also an important step. Poor or unstable internet is one of the major reasons for such type of crashing or other issues while playing the game. So you must check if there is any problem, and it must be a strong internet. If not, then you should switch from one network to another or restart the router, or else change from Wi-Fi to mobile data and see if this works for you. If not, next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below. From here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so click on confirm. After that, log into Steam once again and then log into the game and check if you can play it or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So here is the game. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So you should always check if your graphics card here is outdated, as this is also another reason for the problem on the game. Therefore, it's suggested to check and update the card to avoid any kind of error. So go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, after updating the graphics card, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it, because this can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time, and after it is done, now launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background processes tab, you have to check those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the game, and after that, after adding it, you have to go below. From here, click on the Windows icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link. It will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Click on the link. You will get repair or install option. Click on yes and wait for some time. Once you get set up successful, masters close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option. Search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings. Click on advanced. Click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall SAND Playtest or SAND Raiders of Sophie game. So when the issue continues, then you should reinstall the game once. This should really help to get rid of the issue that you are coming across. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall. Finally, click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall SAND Raiders of Sophie game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix SAND Playtest game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, or other issues on PC. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.